Kim Kardashian versus Kourtney Kardashian, morning routines battle. The Kardashian family has had success across many fields: business, fashion, design, and entertainment. But what about their morning routines? Today, we're looking at the routines of Kim and Kourtney Kardashian and asking ourselves, who will be crowned the ultimate queen of the morning routine? Let's get shit done.
In corner number one, we have Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian is one of the most successful and well-known celebrities in the world. She first rose to fame after appearing on the reality television show Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which followed the lives of her and her famous family. Since then, she has gone on to launch a successful fashion and beauty empire that has made her one of the richest celebrities in the world, and the richest Kardashian in the family, coming in hot at a net worth of $1.8 billion. Kim is also known for her high-profile relationships, including her marriage to rapper Kanye West. There's no doubt that Kim Kardashian is one of the most fascinating celebrities of our time. So let's dive into her morning routine. Kim wakes up early each day at 5:45 a.m. so she can get ready for her 6 a.m. workout. She said that she even picks out her workout clothes the night before to make it easier and quicker to get ready in the morning. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. That is a great idea. Set yourself out the night before, boom. Kim also mentioned she lays out her toothbrush and toothpaste the night before, so if she wants to sleep in until 5:53 a.m., she can, because she knows she just has to jump in her clothes, brush her teeth, and go to the gym. Kim then works out for about an hour before she has to wake her kids up for school. By 7:05 a.m., she is waking her 4 kids up, and they all enjoy breakfast together before getting ready for school. Kim then takes her kids to school and says she really enjoys doing this, and it helps to keep her sane when she's feeling overwhelmed. While filming for the Kardashians, Kim has to be ready for the glam team by 9:30 a.m. The glam team will have her ready to begin filming by 11 a.m. I wish I had a glam team to get me ready every day. Where's my glam team?
What is that?
Hair and makeup.
Oh, okay.
On days they aren't filming, Kim will usually come back home and just start her day. Sometimes she has meetings or goes to the law office to study for law school. And that's her morning routine. I'm actually surprised at how simple it is. I love it.
In corner number two, we have Kourtney Kardashian. Similar to her sister Kim, Kourtney rose to fame with her family show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Since then, she has appeared on numerous other reality shows, including Kourtney and Kim Take Miami, Kourtney and Kim Take New York, and The Kardashians. In addition to her work on television, Kourtney has also launched a number of successful businesses, including a lifestyle website and a clothing line. She also has popular social media presence with millions of followers on platforms such as Instagram and Twitter, and is newly married to Travis Barker, who is my dude.
Yeah.
Now, let's dive in to see what her morning routine is like. Kourtney's alarm goes off at 7 a.m. each morning. She likes to change her alarm tone frequently to switch up the vibe, but she also picks peaceful music to wake her up. She said that the normal alarm tone can be traumatizing, so switching up her alarm tone is something that gives her more peace and helps her wake up easier and in a much better mood to start her day. That's a morning routine hack right there. I'm definitely gonna try this out ASAP. The first thing Kourtney does after turning off her alarm is pray. She enjoys praying in her bathroom so she can look out the window and connect with nature. At 7:10 a.m., Kourtney will have her collagen drink. Then, by 7:20, Kourtney will throw on some gym clothes before heading downstairs. She puts her gym clothes on early so she can go straight to the gym after dropping off her kids at school. At 7:30 a.m., Kourtney will have her homemade apple tea that naturally wakes up her body and provides immune-boosting ingredients. By 8:30 a.m., she drops off her kids at school. To create a stress-free morning, she has the kids put their backpacks in the car the night before so they can enjoy the morning together and not leave in a rush. At 9:40 a.m., Kourtney is ready to go to her workout. Depending on her vibe that morning, she will pick between one of 2 trainers that she has. Must be nice.
Yeah.
She says this helps her to stay engaged by having 2 different trainers and also keeps her excited and from getting bored. Kourtney tries to work out 6 days a week, and if she's short on time, she'll do a short workout at home instead. After her workout at 11 a.m., Kourtney will have a post-workout shake that's filled with nutrients to help her muscles recover, improve her mood, and give her a boost of energy. And that's Kourtney's morning routine. I love the details and how she knows exactly what she's supposed to do by what time each day. Now, before we decide the winner of this morning routine battle, I'd be extremely grateful if you could hit the like button and maybe even subscribe if you like what you see. Also, comment below who you think should win.
So, who do you think should win this morning routine battle? Let's do a quick recap. Kim Kardashian wakes up at 5:45 a.m. She's working out by 6 a.m. Then she wakes up her kids, has breakfast, glam team by 9:30, and she's filming by 11. Kourtney, on the other hand, wakes up at 7, prays, has her collagen drink, puts on her gym clothes, drinks her apple tea, takes her kids to school, works out, and then has a post-workout shake. This is a lot of drinks in the morning.
Yeah, that is a lot of drinking.
Right.
And still no early bird.
Yeah, no early bird. She has all these drinks, no early bird.
Yeah.
Come on, Kourtney. So now we're gonna talk about what we like and dislike about these two morning routines. What do you got?
Well, for both of them, I like that they're working out in the morning. That's, really, we're big proponents of that. And they seem to both have a lot of prep. So they're getting stuff ready the night before, whether it's their kids' backpacks or their, shakes. She's getting her gym clothes ready in the
And her
before.
toothbrush.
Yeah, so that's super helpful. And they both seem to know the value of a morning routine, having a very established, time-sensitive morning routine. So I think both of them are doing a really, really good job.
Yeah.
So let's start with Kim.
Yeah.
What did you like about Kim?
I am probably Kim because she's like, I'm gonna get ready in 10 minutes or less and just leave, which I'm actually surprised because Kim just seems like glamorous and I would think that she would take longer. But yeah, I like that she just gets up, jumps in her clothes, brushes her teeth, and she's off to the gym. I also like she gets that out of the way before even having to wake up her kids, so she doesn't have to worry about that. I feel like once you wake up your kids and have breakfast, you're kind of in another mindset and ready to start the rest of your day. So I think for me, I would personally like how she does it, work out, and then wakes up the family, has breakfast, it goes on. But yeah, I love that. I wish I had a glam team. Get me ready. I said it before, I'll say it again.
I'll be your glam team.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'd love to see how you do my hair.
So yeah, with Kim, I like that she's waking up before the kids, so she's getting habits done, whether it's working out or whatever, before the kids are even awake. With our customer base, we've seen that a lot of people use EarlyBird to do just that. Whereas before they were waking up with their kids, and that just set them up for kind of a grumpy morning. It's better to get up before the kids so you can kind of get in the right mindset before they wake up. I wasn't a big fan of waking up and instantly go to the gym because I think you could squeeze in some habits there. So when you get to the gym, you're more up and at 'em. But I could see how that's beneficial as well. So yeah, I think that's Kim, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So Kourtney, I like the collagen shake. I think if you're going to have some breakfast in the morning, having something that's high protein, high fat, low carb is the way to go. So yeah, I like the collagen drink, and I like that she has everything set up for the kids, like I said before. So there's a lot less to do in the morning and kind of just ready to go.
Yeah, I like that too. I think putting the backpacks, because I know if you have multiple kids, trying to make sure everybody remembers their stuff for school is probably hectic in the morning. So getting their backpacks in the car the night before so they can all just walk out the door to the car, I think that's a great idea. I really love that she has broken it down almost minute by minute. I think that would be pretty cool to test one day. Maybe it'll hold you accountable to do something if you're like, oh my gosh, it's 7:10, I should already be doing this by now. So kind of might want to try that someday. Also super interested in her homemade apple tea. She talks about how much it boosts her immunity and energy naturally. So sounds like EarlyBird, but also could be something cool to check out. I love Kourtney's morning routine. I think they both have great morning routines. It's kind of hard to decide on a winner for this one.
All right, let's announce the winner.
Okay.
On 3, 2, 1, Kourtney.
Yeah.
Is that what you're gonna say?
Yeah. You just said it like before me, but yeah. Kourtney, we love your routine. I think it's awesome that you have it down minute by minute. You've thought about what to do to make it go quicker and easier and smoother in the morning, but also have your gratitude, pray, get your drinks in. I think this is awesome routine.
Yeah. She doesn't have to think about what she's eating or anything too. She's collagen, apple tea, post-workout shake. There's no indecisiveness and swinging by McDonald's on the way home.
Right, so congrats Kourtney Kardashian. You are the winner of our morning routine battle.
Recently, we developed something super cool. It's a 60-second quiz that will tell you which morning routine is right for you. After we figure out some details about you, we'll prescribe you a morning routine that includes 3 habits. We'll even send you a guide that'll detail exactly how to take advantage of each habit. The link to that is below this video. I'll see you on the inside. Peace.
Bye.
When you wake up in the morning, you're super dehydrated. You lose over a pound of water overnight. This makes it super hard to wake up in the morning.
We've always wanted that ability to easily wake up early and get shit done.
The EarlyBird Morning Cocktail is your secret to waking up early and being ultra productive, setting you up for a kick-ass day.